Are you ready to start your very own cleaning business and trying to flesh out the details of what that plan can look like? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the step-by-step guide to make it easy for you to start your very own cleaning business. And don't worry, if you've never started a business before, never had a cleaning business, and have zero experience at all, this is going to give you the step-by-step guide that you need to take your business to the next level. But first, let's talk about why a cleaning business is so valuable. First of all, it's a great business to get into without a big budget and without having to put a big investment in upfront. Second of all, there's a huge demand, whether that's commercial cleaning, whether it's residential cleaning, there are tons and tons of demands for cleaning service. That's a lot of demand. But third, there's a lot of competition. How are you going to start a business that stands out? Today, we're going to talk through how to start your cleaning business, and then stay tuned at the end because I'm going to share tips and a video on how to actually make your business stand out so you can capitalize on that low investment, high profit, big demand business, but you're going to need to stand out. Let's dive right in and get started on how to start your cleaning business. Step one is all about understanding the cleaning business. Cleaning businesses can be about cleaning homes, offices, or even big buildings. Everyone likes a clean place, right? But you need to think through about what kind of cleaning you want to do and who your customers are. Remember, knowing your business well is the first step to success. Some people call this market research. Don't skip it. You're going to set yourself up for success by first and foremost getting very specific on exactly what you're going to do. Next up, plan your business. This means thinking about how much money you'll need to start, what supplies you'll need, how much you'll charge. It's like making a list before you go shopping. So you know what to buy and how much you need to spend, but it's a business plan, right? So make that list of everything that you need and check out my videos on starting a business plan. I'll put the links in the description on how to come up with a business plan for your cleaning business. All right, step three is all about getting the right permits and insurance. Might sound boring, and it is, but it's super important. Permits are special permission to run your business. Not every area, I don't know where you are, but just Google it and check to make sure, do you need any permits to run your cleaning business? Now, insurance, that's something I can recommend. I would say go to Hiscox or something like that, or the Hartford. They're great for affordable small business insurance. You want that in case something goes wrong. Hopefully it never will, but if something breaks or there's a problem, you're gonna want the insurance to back up your business. Step four, buy cleaning supplies and equipment. This is where you get all the tools and stuff you need to clean. Make sure you buy good quality supplies, right? You're thinking like a business. If you invest in kind of the cheapo stuff, it's going to make it harder for you to run an effective business. Think about the stuff that's going to last and help you do a really good job cleaning. Step five, marketing your business. This means telling people about your cleaning service. You can make flyers, use social media, even just tell your friends and family to spread the words. Make sure you get a simple website from Mighty Sites, links in the description below. That way you can get started having an online business card to show up in search and to send to people so they can book your services. Now, there is going to be another video, like I said, stick around to the end, that shows you how to market your cleaning business effectively. Step six, are you going to need to hire or are you going to do it by yourself? You need to think about where you're going to be situated in this business. If there's too much work for just you, it's okay to hire some helpers. Make sure they're good and friendly and good at cleaning too. Step seven, provide great service and ask for feedback. Always do your best when cleaning. I know that's easy to overlook. There are going to be days when you're tired. There are going to be days when you don't feel like being there. That's reality. But if you put your best foot forward and then ask customers what they think, this will help you get better and better. Hint for the next video, get them to leave you a review when they have something positive to say on your Google business profile. That's going to help boost your business even more online and get you more customers. And that's it. You're ready to start your cleaning business. But remember, each step of this process needs to be executed well. It's not setting yourself up for success unless you're prepared to market your business and get customers. We're going to talk about how to do that in the next video.